It is common to find numbers stored as text in Excel. Few reasons why you may end up with a workbook that has numbers stored as text. Entering apostrophe before a number make it text. Sometimes this can happen when you download data from a database. While this makes the numbers show up without the apostrophe, it impacts the cells by forcing it to treat the numbers as text. If you extract the numerical part of a text string or even a part of a number using the text functions, the result is a number in the text format. If the cells are formatted as text, Excel treats numbers as text. There are several ways you can see if a number is formatted as text in Excel. Select the cell and then select the Home tab. And under the number group in the ribbon, note the number format displayed in the drop-down box. If the drop-down box displays text, the cell is formatted as text format. Numbers stored as text in Excel leads to incorrect calculations when you use these cells in functions such as sum, average, etc., as these functions ignore cells that have text values in it. By default, the number stored as text has left alignment in the cell while the number has the right. In such cases, you need to convert cells that contain numbers as text back to numbers. There are multiple methods to convert text to numbers. The method you need to use depends on how the number have been converted into text. Numbers formatted as text can easily be converted back to numbers by changing the cell formatting. Select the cell and select the dialog box launcher next to number. In the Number tab, choose Number and click on OK. You must double-click in the cell for this to take effect. This becomes tedious if you have a lot of data to convert. This method does not work in some scenarios. Numbers entered with apostrophe cannot be converted using this method. If you need to convert numbers entered with an apostrophe or many cells formatted as text, you can easily convert it back to number format using the Convert to Number option. Excel has an built-in error checking feature that alerts you about possible problems with cell values. For this method to work, you need to ensure that the Excel error checking option for numbers stored as text is enabled. Click on File and then click on Options. Select the Formulas tab. In Error Checking Rules, make sure numbers formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe is checked. You will see a small green triangle in the top left corner of a cell indicating number has been entered as text. Select the cells you want to convert back to number format. This will cause a warning symbol to pop up at the side of the cell. If you hover over the warning symbol, a warning message is displayed. Click on the warning symbol to bring up the error checking menu. Select the Convert to Number option to convert the cell values into numbers. All the text values are converted to numbers and aligned to the right, and some function gives the correct result. You can use the Excel paste special command to convert text to numbers in a range of cells. This procedure converts text representations of numbers into numeric values, but leaves any cells containing non-numeric text unchanged. For example, we are using the write function to extract the numeric values from the strings in column A. Using the sum function to add them gives the result 0 as those values are treated as text. Select the text number cells and set their format to general. Right-click on any blank cell and select Copy from the menu. Select the cells you want to convert to numbers, right-click and then click on Paste Special. In the Paste Special dialog box, select values in the Paste section and Add in the Operation section. Click on OK. Excel adds each cell by 0 and in doing so converts the text to numbers. Instead of an empty cell, enter 1 in cell and copy that cell. Select Multiply and then click on OK. Excel multiplies each cell by 1 and in doing so converts the text to numbers. All text values are converted to numbers and aligned to the right, and sum function gives the correct result. The Text to Columns button is typically used for splitting a column, but it can also be used to convert a single column of text to numbers. Select the cells you had like to convert to numbers and make sure their format is set to general and they are in the same column. Click on Data tab and in the Data Tools group, click on the Text to Columns button. In the wizard window, select Delimited and click on Next. Select Tab and click on Next. Finally, on the last page of the wizard, make sure General is selected under Column Data Format. Click on Finish. All text values are converted to numbers and aligned to the right, and sum function gives the correct result. The value function can be used in combination with any text functions to extract the numeric value from the text string. For example, to extract the numeric value from the text string in cell A15, we use the write function which returns the number as text. To get the value as a number, use the value function. Copy it to A16. The extracted value is numeric and aligned to the right, and sum function gives the correct result. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.